This is NOAA All Hazards radio station WXM-20, serving the following counties in Nebraska: Lancaster, Odo, Saline, Sarpy, Saunders, Seward, Butler, Cass, Gage, and Johnson. High wind watch information for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Cass, Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, Odo, Saline, Saunders, and Seward. High wind watch remains in effect from Wednesday morning through Wednesday evening. What? Southwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour possible. Where? Portions of east central, northeast and southeast Nebraska and southwest and west central Iowa. When? From Wednesday morning through Wednesday evening. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates on this situation. Fasten loose objects or shelter objects in a safe location prior to the onset of winds.